In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana, how to export a report to Google Sheets. If you want to take data from Asana and work with it inside Google Sheets, this process is a simple and reliable way to do it. It's especially useful if you want to sort, filter, analyze, or share report data in a spreadsheet format. I'll walk you through the full process clearly, so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Asana and navigate to the project, portfolio, or advanced search result that you want to export. Make sure you are on the exact view you want to send to Google Sheets, because the sync link will be based on that specific report or data set. Taking a moment here to confirm you are in the right place can save time later. Once you are there, look near the project header for the drop-down arrow or the Actions menu. Click it to open the available options. In that menu, hover over Export and then choose Sync to Google Sheets. After you do that, a pop-up window will appear. Inside that pop-up, you'll see a unique URL generated by Asana. This link is what connects your Asana data to Google Sheets, so go ahead and copy it carefully. Next, open Google Sheets. You can use either a new spreadsheet or an existing one, depending on how you want to organize your data. If you are adding this export into an existing workflow, an existing sheet may be more convenient. If you want a clean start, open a blank spreadsheet. At the top of Google Sheets, click Extensions. From there, select Asana Exports and then click Sync with Asana. If you don't see that option yet, you may need to install the Asana Exports add-on first from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once that add-on is installed, return to the Extensions menu and open the Sync option again. Now paste the URL you copied from Asana into the input box. Double-check that the full link is pasted correctly. Then click OK. Google Sheets will begin connecting to Asana and importing the data from your selected report. Depending on the size of the report, this may take a moment. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Asana report to Google Sheets. From here, you can review the exported information and continue working with it directly in your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.